Experiencing activation problems with your Walmart Family Mobile SIM or eSIM? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues, but luckily, most are fixable. Walmart Family Mobile, which operates on Verizon's network, supports both physical SIM cards and eSIMs. Activation issues can arise from several factors, including device incompatibility, network glitches, or simple user errors. This video will guide you through common problems and their solutions, reflecting improvements and updates as of September 2025. Activation problems have decreased by 25% year over year due to software updates. Let's get started. Let's tackle common activation problems with step-by-step solutions. First, ensure your device is compatible. For eSIM activation, you'll need iOS 14 or higher, or Android 10 or higher with eSIM capability. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Then toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds and off again to reset network connections. Make sure data roaming is turned off in your device's settings to avoid interference with activation. Open the Walmart Family Mobile app and use the Activate Now feature. It includes an AI diagnostic tool to identify issues like IMEI mismatches. For physical SIM cards, ensure it's properly inserted using the ejector tool. Make sure it's seated correctly in the slot. For eSIMs, try rescanning the QR code. If that fails, contact customer support for manual provisioning. Double-check your IMEI entry is correct. Confirm your account is active and in good standing with no outstanding payments. As a last resort, factory reset your device, but back up your data first to avoid losing important information. If issues persist, check for network outages in your area through the Walmart Family Mobile app or website.